Is organic food worth it? As the demand and popularity for organic foods continue to grow globally, you might have wondered if it is all worth it to buy organic foods instead of the conventional ones. Organic products are created using approved methods which will not harm our environment, and processed without the use of synthetic fertilizer, pesticides, antibiotics or hormones in meats. They are more expensive as they need to cover certification costs, need a specialized farming land, and normally produced in small scale. The usage of antibiotics that help animals grow faster and prevent infections in animal farms causes antibiotic-resistant foodborne illnesses in humans, and it will be difficult to treat such conditions. This begs the question if conventional foods are safe, before we examine organic foods in the first place. There are two main issues when it comes to food, namely chemical and bacterial contamination. In animals, many chemicals used have shown to cause birth defects, asthma, cancer, endocrine and reproductive problems. In order to protect public from these exposure, agencies normally govern to ensure a limit in the amount of residue used. Despite so, health activists have argued that these limits are still high for health. The long-term health risks are still unclear and controversial until today. Therefore, does an organic diet help lower the risks? Let's find out in this video. If you find the video useful, please click the like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more future content. 1. Risk of cancer. The usage of antibiotics that help animals grow faster and prevent infections in animal farms causes antibiotic-resistant foodborne illnesses in humans, and it will be difficult to treat such conditions. 2. Nutrition. Studies are made to examine the level of pesticides in human urine for those that consume conventional foods instead of organic ones. Unfortunately, there are no long-term studies to officially evaluate the effect on cancer for a proper comprehensive evaluation. 3. Is it healthier? While organic products may be less processed, have fewer additives, and are chemical-free, it can still be unhealthy if it still contains excess sugar and unhealthy fats. This is regardless of it being conventional or organic. 4. Shopping on budget. If you happen to have a tight budget, you should not avoid eating conventional fruits and vegetables altogether. Experts agree one should obtain the health benefits of eating regardless of it being organic, as long as it is with safe levels of pesticide residue. A trick to get organic foods on a budget is to buy them during their seasons. They are also much tastier and packed with nutrients at their peak freshness. Conclusion. Surely, having organic foods would be the safer bet. However, this can be costly. If you have any loved ones who are young, pregnant and with weakened immune systems, they should be prioritized to have organic foods first. That being said, conventional foods are not at all harmful. There are smart ways to consume conventional fruits. For example, you can choose to peel off the skin of an apple to avoid having any chemical residue. Ensuring you wash your food properly will also be important. When buying animal products, try and get organic meats, as often possible. Some companies may claim that they not use hormones and antibiotics in their meat too, though not labeled organic, and this can be a good second choice. Otherwise, look at having vegetarian options, such as having lentil dishes, which is healthier and cheap. Red meats, organic or not, may increase the risk of cancer. Knowing which foods have more or less exposure to pesticide residues can help you choose which organic fruits and vegetables may be worth the extra cost. There are several ways to save money on organic fruits and vegetables. I will share this list in a future video. Take care always. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.